That was a sneeze in anger. I didn't even cover my mouth. That's how angry I am. My sneeze germs will get in the air, and it'll go out my window, and it'll waft through the outdoors, and it'll go up into the ozone layer, and it'll collect in the ozone layer for a while, and then when it rains next, it'll rain down from the ozone layer onto a bunch of people and make them all sick, thus making the plague of the dysfunctional gamer.
Break me out, come and find me in the dark now. Every day by myself I'm breaking down. I don't wanna fight alone anymore. Break me out from the prison of my own pride. My God, I need a hope I can't deny. In the end I'm realizing I was never meant to.
People wonder, why? Why dysfunctional? Why are you still here? Only just to suffer? To suffer through endless torrents of games that we throw at you? To suffer through rage-inducing games? Just for people's entertainment? And the answer is, yes. That is why I am here. And that is also why, today, I am going to play CatMario. The bane of my existence. The one game that I raged so hard that I ended up throwing a sock across my room. Rest in peace, sock. A moment of silence for that sock. And now, I am back to conquer my sworn evil. Let's get to it, guys. It's been so long, I've forgotten how to move. Oh, it's because of this. I'm gonna turn down the volume. That's loud. That's a death. That's also another death. That's something I probably can't kill and don't want to kill. I remember I was saying, I remember the first level, and then I died, but you know, that's okay. It's perfectly normal. I can already tell this is gonna be a long game. Okay. Alright. Oh, you know, is a cloud crying? Oh no, that was just part of my webcam in the background. See, I can see through my webcam, so although when the video is here, it'll be solid, so you guys couldn't see what I was seeing, but I have, like, a stack of binders on my desk in the background, and that happened. Oh, you motherfucker. I died there before. I have a cup of coffee, too, because I'm not totally awake yet, so this is gonna make the game even more fun. Jump over the bullshit that is my life. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Fuck you. Fuck everything you stand for. Fuck your life. Fuck your mother. Fuck everything. I fucking hate you. I'm not gonna get angry. I promised myself that I wouldn't get angry. Fuck you. No, I'm not gonna get angry. I don't get mad easily. That's a fucking lie. That is a bold-faced lie. I get mad very easily. But you know, that is beside the point. Okay, I'm just gonna run straight through this shit. Checkpoints! See, now you can't start me off at the beginning. For those of you who haven't seen my older CatMario video, you should go check that out. That was when I was shit at editing, though, so there's a lot of Ken's burns. Oh, fuck you, you pieces of ape shit. Everything's a piece of ape shit. Except for you guys. You guys are fucking cool. I want to throw something. The urge to throw something is here. In a fit of my anger. I'm a cute cat, though. I will say that. If only I were black. That didn't come out the way I wanted it to, but you know what? We'll roll with it. I jumped on your head, you fat piece of shit! Not gonna get mad. I won't get mad. I'm not going to get mad. I promise I'm not gonna get mad. Do 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 do. Go fuck yourself. Do 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 do. Okay. Okay, I'm good. Go fuck yourself in the butt with a raccoon. Oh God! I remember. No! Ah! I just want to be 50% done. Okay. Do 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 do. Go fuck yourself. Do 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 do. I can't go down that tube. I was like, what if there was a cheat that would allow me to just cross the finish line? Oh, fuck. That's all I have to do is just... oh, negative 10 lives. Because cats have negative 19 lives now, I guess. If cats go back in their years, too, doesn't that mean if they have 9 lives and they go back in their year, doesn't that mean that they go to negative 9, too, thus meaning that they have 18 lives? I forgot about you guys. But, like, think about it theoretically. If this game is implying, and this cat was, like, immortal, too. So if this game is implying that the cat has 9 lives, but also negative 11 lives, then wouldn't that mean that the cat has 20 lives? And it's probably gonna die a lot more times too, so does that mean that cats have infinite lives and they just get reincarnated after every single death? Dude, I think I'm onto something here. I think I just found out the meaning to life. Fuck you! Ah! I'm not gonna get mad. I won't get mad. The last time I got mad, it didn't do anybody any good, now did it? No, it didn't. Come on. Just fall down so you can try to kill me and fail dismally at it because you guys are pieces of shit. I ended up killing one of you. Did you see that? It's just this that I'm worried about, see? I have to jump over the pole! That just happened. What am I supposed to do? Are you serious? Are you cereal? Are you a serial killer? Are you a wizard? Are you a wizard, Harry? You're a wizard, Harry. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Wait. What? Did that just happen? Did I just survive through that? That happened! Okay, now I can't die here. Well, it looks like I'm gonna anyway. How do you get around that? You can't even move. What are you supposed to do there? You have to jump over the pole, and I've done it before, but I don't know how. And I don't know why. I don't know. Why am I still here? Only just to suffer for you guys. I have to sneeze really bad. That was a sneeze in anger. 'Cause I'm mad. I didn't even cover my mouth. That's how angry I am. I'm in my own room, so you know, it doesn't really matter, but still. You know, my sneeze germs will get in the air, and it'll go out my window, and it'll waft through the outdoors, and it'll go up into the ozone layer, and it'll collect in the ozone layer for a while, and then when it rains next, it'll rain down from the ozone layer onto a bunch of people and make them all sick, thus making the plague of the dysfunctional gamer. That's what we're gonna call it, the dysfunctional gamer plague. Everybody will be getting sick everywhere and start sneezing and stuff, and it'll be really, really bad, and then their sneeze leads to blowing their brains out through their nose, and then they die. I'm just a bundle of joy today. A sip of coffee for good luck. I'm gonna fucking need it. If I get a running... No, if I don't get a running start, because you know what? Fuck that bullshit. That's obviously not gonna happen. I'm not gonna throw anything. A poor sock last time. You know, I'm not gonna throw anything. That's it. I need Jerry for good luck. Guys, this is Jerry. He's a little black cat. He's actually a Webkins. See? Except I don't play Webkins anymore. I haven't for a while. But this is Jerry. He's my friend. And he's gonna be my good luck charm. He's gonna sit right on my desk beside me. And he's, you know, he's just gonna... He's gonna shed light on my situation. You're giving me good luck, Jerry. Remember that. I see you staring at me, man. Yes, I know. It's an intense game. You can see why I'm failing so much. Can you... Oh my god. Jerry? Jerry, you were supposed to give me luck. What do you call that, Jerry? That's a death. I died, Jerry. Okay. Jerry, your luck's starting to rub off on me. Thank you. Jerry, your luck isn't fucking working. Jerry! Not gonna get angry. I'm not gonna get angry. Sorry, I'm not talking much. I have to focus. Jerry understands. He knows that I get quiet when I'm focusing. Oh, no! No, 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 I threw Jerry. Jerry? Jerry? Jerry, are you okay, buddy? Jerry? Jerry? Oh no! Oh no, I threw Jerry, guys! Jerry? He's not breathing! Jerry? Jerry's not breathing, guys!